Enhancing safety with Uber's new feature, Record My Ride. Are you a rideshare driver concerned about your safety? Uber has recently introduced an innovative feature called Record My Ride that will put your mind at ease. With the expansion of this pilot program to iOS drivers in several US cities, Uber is taking a proactive step towards ensuring a safer experience for both drivers and passengers. Record My Ride is a cutting-edge safety feature that allows Uber drivers to record video of their trips using their smartphone's front-facing camera. What sets this feature apart is that drivers no longer need to invest in a separate dashcam, as the convenience is right at their fingertips. Privacy has been a top priority in the development of Record My Ride. Every recording is encrypted and stored exclusively on the driver's device. Neither Uber, riders, nor other drivers can access these recordings unless the driver chooses to share it for review. This commitment to privacy ensures that your personal information remains confidential. By introducing both the in-app audio recording feature and Record My Ride, Uber aims to enhance safety on their platform. These recording features not only provide valuable evidence in case of any untoward incidents but also expedite the resolution process, promoting a fair and secure environment for everyone involved. The safety feature is currently available in US cities such as Atlanta, Denver, Dallas, Minneapolis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and New York City, and select drivers in the Los Angeles area. Additionally, Uber has incorporated a dedicated section within the Learning Center featuring safety tips from law enforcement. These tips cover a wide range of topics, from helping drivers avoid becoming victims of crime to identifying and reporting potential instances of human trafficking. The content is localized to provide pertinent information based on the region, ensuring drivers have access to specific warnings and advice from their local police departments. Uber's dedication to safety is evident in their continuous efforts to implement new technologies and features. With Record My Ride, drivers can now feel more empowered and protected during their shifts. So join us in welcoming this groundbreaking feature and drive with confidence, knowing that Uber is committed to your safety. Stay tuned as Record My Ride becomes available in more cities, creating a safer rideshare experience for all.